Welcome back. Again, this video is to help you navigate through your Canvas and get you started with your homeworks and your first week, complete your first week of online class successfully. Number one, go over the entire homepage. Make sure you know the class policies, procedures, late assignments. Make sure you know how many tests you have, how many modules you have. You want to print your PDF, go ahead. You want to go ahead and buy your access code, go ahead and do that. What calculator is used and how you can communicate, what are my office hours, all that information you should read and make sure you complete this in the first week. Now let's go to modules. Your modules are set up such a way that you have to complete them. Let me minimize these. You have to complete them in a systematic order. You can't bypass. So you start with module 00. You go over you read the welcome page and make sure you check it's complete. Office hours, grading policies, everything. All of this should be done by the first week. The course uses Respondus Lockdown Browser for testing. So you have to go ahead and take an orientation quiz that requires Respondus Lockdown Browser, just making sure that I know you have everything ready to take your test. So this is very important. You will have a discussion to introduce yourself. Make sure you go ahead and complete that as well. Once you complete your first module, Canvas is going to take you to the next one where you start with your homework. Again, it starts with chat with me. If you have any questions, again, you can go ahead and click here and chat with me. You have the section 8.1 notes. Let me click on that. You have section 8.1 notes. They are right here. Once you read through your notes, again, it's up to you. You want to download it, print it. It's your call. Once you read through those notes, that's where you will move on to your homework assignment, which is loading in a second. So this is your homework assignment. You might not see this page when I click on student view. Okay, it is asking me to go over everything. So when I click on student view, let me just pause here for a second. It was not letting me bypass because I have to go ahead and complete all of this as a student. And once I complete it, let me quickly complete this and be right back. Is it recording? Yes. Where is it? I don't see the time. Yeah, it's recording. So it has, so Canvas forced me to complete all those required module 00. And once I do that, here I am on my Pearson homework page. So as a student, you're going to see this page. I want you to go ahead and do the required steps. Go ahead and accept it. If you don't have an account, go ahead, create an account. Make sure you write down your username and password. Again, every time you log into Canvas, it automatically takes you to Pearson because the courses are linked. And go ahead, buy your textbook. It doesn't matter where you buy it from, whichever is cheaper to you, go ahead and buy that and then get started with your homework. So let me leave the student view here. And once I leave the student view, this is how it's going to be. You do have videos to watch before you start your homework. So as you can see, this is all the homework I have. I'm going to go ahead and start my homework. And here it's going to take me to a whole new page. Here is my Pearson video. I'm going to watch the video. As you can see, it gives me an option to watch a video. Start with question 1. And let me go ahead. Let me load that. And here, when I'm taking question 1, I can click on Get More Help. And here I have an option to help me solve this. I can watch a video or I can read a textbook. So every time you're working on your homework, you do have an option to click on Get More Help and help me solve video and textbook. So let me quickly go back here, leave this. And again, I highly recommend watching the videos, going over the notes before you start working on your homework. And once you start working on your homework, once you get the hang of it, you can take your homework as many times as you want to get 100%. You are allowed to submit your homeworks late, but there is a penalty. Check your syllabus or check your homework to see what the penalty is and how many days late can you submit. All your homework due dates are set up in your Canvas. Make sure you link your course calendar to your personal calendar so you don't miss anything. So for the first week, you have your orientation quiz introduction, responders, and starting with your homework. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. Remember, the key to being successful is communication. Good luck.